Another day, another dollar in some dreams. Oh, we about to pick up this little Buick I bought last Wednesday. Trying to see what condition it's in, man. It was, I don't know. When they say a cheap car, you know, I just like it when it doesn't go. So we're gonna see what condition it's in, you know. Make us a little, bought it for $400, you know, so I mean, I gotta go look and see what it is. I really didn't even get to look at it. But for $400, I ain't gonna complain, because I mean, if it don't run good, if it ain't no good, I junk it. If it's good, you know, if it's good, I junk it and get some of my money back. But the prices was going so crazy, you know. Let me show y'all. This is what brought $2,000. This Taurus. It's crazy. This Taurus right here. Faded paint on the back. I think this is the one with the faded paint on the hood. No, but this was one. I did have low miles. It did have 75,000 miles though. Got 75,000 miles, so I guess that's why I brought $2,000. I guess they thinking they're the 70,000. They all did have pretty low miles, but still though, it's like, come on now. So at the end of the day, it's a Ford Taurus. I guess they think the 75,000 miles is was on the seller, like, oh yeah, it got 75,000 miles. But it's still old. Like, if you spend $2,000 for it, you gotta be trying to sell it for like $2,000, 3,500 or something. Like, hopefully the jump box got some juice in there. Good luck, it's been left out here since last week. Woo! The ground, I ain't got it all the way. Park Avenue look pretty rough. Looks pretty rough. But I got the wrong hood on there. Got some hood. Got some hood pins on there. So freaking cold. This thing is rough. It's rough. Let's see. No juice on the battery. Alright, I'm already. It's got heated seats, and then it's messed up right there, and then it's a vent messed up. It's already pretty rough today. It's already looking like I don't want to deal with this one. Oh my God, it's got damage on the back too. Oh, it's got some damage on the back too. Oh my God, it's just killing me. All this damage. And then yeah, the ball, basically a ball flat. Oh my God, it's gonna be a long day. Really put hood pins on this thing. It's so freaking cold. Let's see. Got a beat up hood, so the hood must have flew up. Oh, then I can go to the salvage yard. I can at least go get a grill out here. I can at least go put a grill in there. I mean, depending on the running conditions. I mean, a little flat though, need some air for the tire. I mean, the hood got some hell damage, but I can go get a grill. Let me try to open this hood. This thing is in there, rusted. Ain't never been. It's got that good old 38 in there. Well, dirty under here. Let me check out these fluids and get it started. Then I'll be right back with y'all. The only car I would want right here is one of these. These are the only cars I would want. These things just look so beautiful. It's just such a beautiful car. Only car I would want. So that's my only car. Only car that I would want. That's my. I mean, I can get one if I wanted to go finance one, but but not right now. You know, I ain't about to give all my money for one. Those things are just so nice. What's up, man? Not much. Trying to get this car. Oh yeah. Trying to. Hopefully it'll warm up today. What's going on with you, man? Look like you working too hard already. Hopefully it warms up a little bit today, but I ain't tripping. Like I said, I'm gonna have to probably go to the salvage yard anyway, get this grill for this Buick, you know, just to make it as much appealing as possible, you know, if it runs good, you know. Ain't gonna go to the salvage yard if it ain't no need to be. Yeah. Had a good amount of cars for the sale. Good amount. This is Monday, so this is almost a week after the sale, so a lot of people ain't even picked up their cars yet. All these cars around here, don't let the sky fool you. It's cold. You can tell it's cold because, like you said, this part of the snow still in places. Throw a double jump on here, ain't gonna hurt nothing. If it's gonna reach. Maybe just throw these new ones on there. Should be alright, throw these new ones on there. See what we didn't get. Jump box ain't worth nothing this early. Like, we just have to try to double jump it then. Alrighty, so we out. Got some tire, we got some gas, but obviously the gas hand, the thing doesn't. I guess that's probably why they put that little hole in there so they can kind of knock that little thing over. Went all the way back one time and I guess it gets stuck over there, but the thing about it, these like Buicks and stuff like that, so even if the gas hand don't work, you know, it still tell you like the fuel range, like how many miles to empty and stuff like that. So we about to get up out of here and see if this thing got some gears on this transmission. And if so, then somebody gonna get them a good little $1,200–1,300 car. Shit, got the gears in it. See, I didn't even need no gas. All I had to do was tell the fuel range. That fuel range is that many miles, so I didn't even gas. I forgot about like the views. You can just click over the thing to the fuel range and it'll let you know. And they got the seat all lean back and stuff like that. I can tell these tires need to be balanced though. You can tell these tires need to be balanced. Oh, these little small things that people just be messing up the small things on it. We got the seat lean back. Now lean back. And lean back. Thing is, they already got the title in, so really all I need to do is just go to the salvage yard. You know. All I need to do is really just go to the salvage yard right quick. Go up to the salvage. Get that grill. Put a fresh oil change on here. Top off all the fluids, and this is ready to get the, probably get this little, while I'm at the salvage yard, get this little vent, I ain't gonna get no another hood or nothing because I already put hood pins in this hood, so Just gotta live with that hood. So I'll get this vent, then I'll get this little, I think this was an ashtray or something. Yeah, just a little ashtray with the cigarette lighter and stuff like that. So I ain't gonna fix it. Ooh, they got some aftermarket Bluetooth in this thing. I don't know how to work that. They got the heated seats on this thing. Bad, not bad. They just be tearing stuff up. Like, how do y'all tear this up? Like, how do y'all just be messing this stuff up, just be coming apart? Like it's just some trim. Like, it shouldn't even be. It's nothing that you even should be messing with. I mean, the hood probably flew up and they probably got scared and probably like bam, bam, or something, you know. Like, I gotta fix this seat though. Fix these seats, balance these tires. Go get these two little things from the salvage yard. Probably cost me. Oh yeah, and that grill probably cost me about like 15. Plus all the oil changes, topping off the fluid. So it'll probably be another like $50 in here. So $400. It was $405. So because of the buyer fee, so it was $300 plus the $105 buyer fee. So $405, so plus another $55, just say $60, just say $45, so $450, you know, sell it for $1,200-1,300, quick little money. Title already in on it too, so I ain't gotta worry about that. But the outside is free. Yeah, I gotta get this seat on track too though. Y'all see, we hit 60 no problem. Hit the 60 no problem. Somebody gonna get them a good, cheap, reliable transportation. But as y'all can see, it runs and drives good. Doesn't really see like it has any like major issues that I can see at the time. Temperature handstand where it needs to be. Oh my God, two dead cats in the middle. People just running over stuff. Like I said, fix this seat though, cause I'm like, the back is like, it's like they plugged it on wrong or something. Like they got it upside down or something. That's what it is. Like they plugged it up backwards or something. I don't know. Yeah, they did plug it. They plugged it. It ain't plugged up backwards. It's just upside down. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is. They whoever got it had it upside down. So the backwards is forwards is backwards. So I just gotta flip that around. I don't know how y'all plug it up wrong. I can plug it. Oh well. See if the radio worked. You know, people always ask that. So.
It's going to be the game changer and elevate everything around him.
Yep, radio worked. Probably could use, like I said, tires probably just need to be balanced or probably a little alignment or something like that. But nothing a little major. Throw it up there about. I throw it up here. Yeah, maybe. Probably 1,500, just a little something, just a little slight, you know. Try to make a quick little $1,000 bucks. Like I said, $1,000 bucks, you know, 2,000. Nah, it's it's a 98 Park Avenue, so it's still a Buick though. Buick 3800, y'all know what it is. But first things first, happy Monday. You know, again, I'm not gonna say first thing first, but again, though, happy Monday. I appreciate everybody. You know, we cracked the 4,000 subscriber mark, so next goal is the 10,000 subscriber mark, because I know once you hit 10,000, that's when they consider you up next. So, you know, I feel like I'm already up next, but, you know, we're going to hit that 10,000 mark. And to make sure, seeing that police try to hit a little Yui, and I ain't got my dealer tag, so I ain't trying to get in trouble. definitely gonna put this on. That still hurts. Trying to put the seatbelt on. I get this little trim if it ain't that hard to get off. I don't look like it's that hard. It ain't that hard. It's just a little piece of trim. Yeah, I get that little trim piece too. Get this trim piece. Those two pieces I need. Bam. Always take a picture. Bam. The grill engine cover. But yeah, we cracked the 4,000 subscriber mark. We're gonna hit 10,000. Hopefully we can do it by next year. That's the goal. Try to get to 10,000+ next year, so it can be next up. And then when I think when you're next up, they start pushing you a little bit more. And then when I'm next up, then I hit that 100K mark, and then I get my plaque, and we'll go from there. And I appreciate everybody. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the shop. I'll do one last little walk around of it, and then I'll let y'all give me y'all thoughts on it. I know a lot of y'all probably like, I wouldn't have bought that. Yeah, well, you don't want to make no money. Why you want to buy it? Why you don't want to make that easy money? You got access to all type of cars, so why would you not want to make the easy money? Like, why not just keep the money flowing? Like, it's all about cash flow. That's what you want to do. You want cash flow. And I'm working on some other stuff too. Working on some other stuff. Working on some other passive income. And if y'all want to know about that, I'll get more information. But I don't really know. Still figuring out the kinks on everything first. Tag agencies ain't even open today. That sucks. It is what it is. Like I said, the salvage yard should be open. Hopefully, I think I got $2 to get into it. To run and grab these parts right quick. Then I can throw them on. I can spray this thing off tomorrow. Bam. And we up out of here. Once again, I appreciate everybody. We're gonna do this one last walk around when we get there, and then we out. Oh, overall, it runs. Pretty good. What's that? Some wire that's probably like I said, get a grill. Overall, smooth little ride. A little damage, little cosmetic, but take a picture. Parked just behind the gate, but like I said, it's all about the cash flow, man. Y'all look at it like, oh, why that car? Even when the time is slow, think about like this. Like, I bought this cheap car. Bought this one, and then that Pontiac y'all seen a video on. 2 cheap cars. Let's say I already sold the Pontiac, and this one I'm gonna sell this one pretty quick as well. So let's say I sold 2 cheap cars in a week. That's two quick $1,000. Like, y'all not thinking of it like that. That's 2 quick $1,000. Like, that's $2,000. Like, so when even time is slow, I profit $2,000 on a slow week. Yeah, I can profit $2,000 per car, but sometimes it ain't always like that. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.